Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2013 Hyundai Sonata. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Hyundai prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a leather steering wheel, front dual-zone air conditioning, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.